Picture pa tayo.
With na lang. Doon po yung shooters sa bahay. 200 yards. Next 300 yards.
Bunot.
Try pala natin yung
Ayun na, di ko ay data.
i-range yung kung ilang yards. Kita, maangat mo. Ayan, 200 yards.
Okay. Picture mo dyan eh. No, tagka-record pa dyan.
Screenshot nanto no.
Ay, may kumadi ay.